are going to open this box.
What is this?
This is
It's a gem craft kit.
yeah, I was gonna say that.
Where did you buy it?
And Michael.
Michael's? Alright.
Look, it comes with different dots.
Okay.
They're where you put on these different kind of jewels, you see.
Okay. Alright.
And let's see, we can also open it up. You see this little tape hanging out here? We already put another tape from here.
Alright.
So let's get started.
Okay.
What do you think?
Let's get started.
I got it. What have we got here? Looks like nothing.
Nothing. Yeah.
And here we got our gems.
The gem.
Here we got our picture.
Oh.
That's the unicorn.
Wonderful.
Look, we also can decorate everything.
Okay.
So we can open it up.
Oh, can I
Let's see how we open it.
Okay.
See, this is the unicorn, and you can take this off.
Nice.
So what do we get started? See the jewels? This is purple and pink, yellow, green, blue, and silver.
Alright.
This is all the colors we have. Let's get started opening this.
Alright.
Sticky.
This is sticky because it has glue.
Yeah, so we can put these.
Yeah, you can. Alright. Okay, first of all, we are going to see the instructions. What are the instructions? We are going to read. And this is step number 1. Peel back acetate and work on one area at a time. Right? So number 2, find the shape, match the color. Number 3, place gems onto adhesive points on artwork. And number 4, you can reposition gems using the provided chisel if needed. Alright, so let's
do it. Kind of like opening. Oh, it's too loud. It's too loud. Cover your ears, everybody. It's too loud. Oh no, here comes the gems. I hope they don't explode everywhere. Oh dear. Oh my, I don't want it to explode. Oh my, I don't want it to explode. Here, don't worry, let's put it on. Pink,
purple and pink. In Spanish, what is the color?
Rosa.
And
morado.
Good job. Gem is sticky? No, ¿verdad? Okay. Comes with 3 sides? All right. Así es como quedó este hermoso unicornio. Great job, Sophie.
Thanks. The next rainbow.
And
the rainbow says
good
dream
job.
big.
Let's do it.
I'm sorry guys, but I don't have any blue.
Oh my gosh, yeah. The package doesn't have more blue gems.
Yeah,
So it's a
that's really strange.
yeah, this is strange. We don't have more blue gems
Yeah.
for this area for rainbow.
Yeah, it's gonna be very sad. There's just green.
Okay, in fact, this you miss two blue
Yeah,
gems because we don't have, right?
Yeah, we don't
Alright,
have
so
it.
what are you going to do?
Oh,
Miss?
skip blue. Yes, but we don't have pink anymore.
Oh my gosh.
What is happening? Just one more pink.
Oh, alright.
This is sad. I can't believe it.
Yeah.
All right, look at this rainbow. Oh, it's so
Oh,
awesome.
it's so pretty. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's good that we didn't have some missing parts on this unicorn at
Okay.
all. Well, we did have some missing parts on this
Yeah.
ring. We're so
Yeah.
disappointed.
The only option that we have is to place the only gems like a green. Green
Yeah.
is the most color
Yeah.
that we
But it's
have, and we can put in the, for example, in the blue area,
Yeah.
right?
But it's a
Green.
shame. Yeah, but it's a shame we don't
Yeah.
have some.
All right. So
So,
this is the review about this gem craft kit. So it's really nice. It's wonderful. Yeah, it's pretty,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. So
See you next time.
see you next time. Thank you for playing with us.
Yeah. Bye.